Look what arrived today. I was just called by the delivery rider uh, just like 10 minutes ago, asking if I'm available to receive this card. This is my Unionbank credit card. Finally, it has arrived. So I'm going to open this with you real time. Let's open it. I was working when I received a call. Nagtanong siya, ma'am, nandyan po ba kayo? Are you able to receive this card? This is a Unionbank credit card. So I was so relieved to hear it na he's finally gonna deliver it, because I have been waiting for this because I have no update whatsoever from Unionbank email kung saan na ang credit card ko. I even didn't have any estimate as to kung kailan siya darating, because no update was given to me. Not a text message was sent to me na, hey, your card is already out for delivery. Unlike BPI and RCBC, they would text you if your card has been approved, if your card is out for delivery, and how many days are you gonna expect to receive your card. So with Unionbank, I don't understand why. So today is July 18, and I was approved of this card on July 6. I received a message, an email from Unionbank that I was approved of this card on July 6. So 18 minus 6, that's 12. So 12 calendar days mula nung nakatanggap ako ng email na I was approved. That so from July 6 to July 18, which is now, that's 12 calendar days na gap from the time of approval, notification of approval, to the time of delivery. So now I'm finally opening it. By the way, the courier was SNN forwarder. So for context, I am from Cebu City. And nung sabi ko sa courier kanina na, kuya, ang tagal kong hinintay ito, and there was not even any information kung kailan siya darating. Sabi niya, ma'am, actually that was supposedly to be delivered by Entrego, but then napasa siya sa amin. So they are SNN forwarder. Nag-uniform siya SNN forwarder. So okay, so just to give you an idea na ganun yung nangyayari at this moment, at July 18, 2024, around this moment. So ganyan, wala na bang ibang laman. Okay, so na, okay, it's very typical. It says how to activate your card. So scan this QR code to download the Unionbank online app. So I will be talking about this physical card, okay, because I already have the virtual credit card that comes with this card. So I will discuss that on another video, but this one is for the physical card. So I have the Unionbank U Visa Platinum. So yan yung itsura niya. That's how it looks like. Unionbank U Visa Platinum. I was told by one of my friends, si Jairus. Hi Jai, if you're watching. I asked Jairus if he knows what this credit card is about, what are its perks, what are its privileges, how should I be happy about this, what should I be happy about this card. He said that this is the equivalent of Citi Simplicity. So when Citi migrated to Unionbank, or when Unionbank acquired Citibank, ang Citi Simplicity nila, ginawa nilang Unionbank U Visa Platinum. So meaning to say, no, yung perks ng Citi Simplicity is also what the perks of this card would be. Sabi ni Jairus, and I was informed, and upon reading sa mga posts sa Google and Reddit, it's no annual fee for life, and there's no spending limit or spending requirement for you to be granted the no annual fee for life, and then no late payment fee, and then merong cashbacks or rebates if you pay the minimum amount due. But I will not be talking about that, because I highly discourage paying only the minimum amount due, because you have to pay your outstanding balance in full and on time para wala kang finance charges. Because yes, if you think about it, kahit wala siyang late payment fee, it does not mean that you won't have any charge, you won't incur any charges at all, because if wala kang late payment fee, yes, you were not able to pay on the due date, meron pa rin yang finance charges at meron yang mga penalty. So you would still be burning yourself to unnecessary interest charges or fees if you don't pay your amount full and on time. But if ever there comes a time na the instances or the circumstances require it, unfortunately, na you are not able to pay your outstanding balance on time, at least wala na yun sa problema mo. No late payment charges. So let me just get this card from where it is being taped. So you know what is unique with this card, and this is the first time that I am seeing this. Ito na yung mukha niya. This is how it looks like. The Unionbank U Visa Platinum. It's Visa. Alam ko merong Mastercard nito eh, tapos kulay puti. I just don't know why Visa yung in-apply ko. Did I really click Visa, or was it randomly generated na Visa yung nabigay sa akin? But I do remember that I saw an ad of this one sa Food Panda. Was it sa Food Panda? Di ba kapag nag-order ka sa Food Panda, kapag nasa payment page ka na, when you've already paid, and then your order is like 10 to 20 minutes waiting time, ganyan, ini-inform ka sa Food Panda, meron yung mga maliliit na mga icons which says na apply for a no annual fee for life card. So doon, nag-click ako doon, and then for some reason hindi siya pursue, hindi nag-push through yung application ko na yun sa Food Panda na through Food Panda. Pumunta ako sa web mismo, like unionbank.com.ph, and I applied for this. I fill out the form, and then this is what I remember. I was not able to successfully continue with the application because at the last part na parang nanghihingi sila ng captcha, or nanghihingi sila ng parang may ilalagay ka ng mga keywords or numbers, wala akong nakita. So sabi ko, oh my god, so I have to start this application all over again. And then I just gave up at that point because I was already so tired. Ang haba na ng pag-fill out, ay haba na ng time that it took me to fill out the application form. Sabi ko, okay, so hindi ko na, I would let this go. I don't care if ma-approve ako or hindi. And lo and behold, I received the message na I was approved on July 6. So I remember, and nasa email ko din, that's why I knew and I could remember it. It was June 26 that I filled out that application sa browser. That would be 10 days from the moment I submitted my application sa unionbank.com.ph up to the moment that I received an email confirming that I was accepted of the credit card. So 10 days, and then from the time that I got that email saying I was accepted to the moment of the card delivery, that's 12 days. So 12 plus 10, that's 22. So 22 days all in all from application to card delivery. So not bad, right? So this is the first time that a credit card looks like this. I mean, this is my first credit card na ganito yung mukha. Parang nauuso yata na ganito yung itsura, no? Because with GCash, their Visa card, it looks like this. Pa-vertical na siya. Hindi na siya pa-horizontal, no? And then the details are no longer in the front portion of the card. Nasa likod na siya, which makes it safer. So, that's good. Let me read the contents of the paper. So, napaka straightforward lang niya. It has the instruction as to how you are going to activate the card. There is a QR code. You just have to download the Unionbank online app if you don't have it yet. But if you already have it, then you just have to scan the QR code, tap the sign up with existing account button, and choose the credit card option. But if you are already a Unionbank online app user, you simply have to log in, scroll down, and look for the activate credit card button below your dashboard. I could remember this, it's just that I cannot show it to you right now because maybe I could show that in another video, but for this moment, ito lang muna. Let's deal with this first. Okay. Yes, so the card comes with no annual fee. You don't have to trouble yourself with calling their representatives, and we've all know ano nangyayari sa customer service in Unionbank these days, so you don't have to worry about that. Next is no over limit fees. So if you find yourself going slightly over the limit, fear not, you will not be charged with an over limit fee. Over limit fee happens when you go over the credit limit that was assigned to you. So for example, if meron kang 100,000 credit limit and then nag-purchase ka ng MacBook Pro M3 na worth more than 100 plus, wala kang over limit fee. 100% interest rebate. Paying on time is rewarding. When you pay at least your minimum amount due on or before your due date, you get a 10% rebate, which is not an advantage or a perk actually, because it more or less leads you into thinking na if you pay your minimum amount due, it's better because you get a rebate. No, it's not good, because you have to pay your dues on time and in full para wala kang kahit anong charges and fees. But again, if nandun ka na sa sitwasyon na yun, you can only pay your minimum amount due, at least you have an interest rebate. And then no late payment fees. There may be times that you might unintentionally miss a due date. With your new credit card, the standard late payment fee is waived. Pay the minimum amount due as soon as possible to return your credit card status back to good standing. That's just it. Okay. Now, my credit limit is 6 digits, but it's on the lower 6 digits na range. And my statement date is 20th of every month. Oh my, this is not good, because ang BPI ko na credit card, my due date with that is already every 21st of the month. So magkatabi lang sila, magkasunod lang sila na araw. It's good that if you have multiple credit cards, sana ideally the statement dates are far from each other, so that you could have the option as to alin sa kanila ang gagamitin mo. Para depende kung kailan kailan ka nag-swipe or nag-transact using that card. But anyway, it is what it is. Here, with Unionbank credit card, with no worries, you experience more. So yun lang. It's very straightforward. Isang ganito lang ang meron. Wala nang ibang laman. So that's it. This is my first Unionbank credit card. Alam niyo ba, it's so funny because when I applied for a Citibank credit card before, parang I tried twice and I kept on being declined. Ngayon, nasa Unionbank na ako nag-apply. Well, they approved me, and from what I know, it's like equivalent, it's the counterpart of Citi Simplicity. So it's funny how life works, right? But that's just it. That's just another story to it. So this would be my fourth credit card, but my third credit card with a different bank provider, because my first I have my BPI. My second credit card was with RCBC. It's RCBC Flex, and then I have my RCBC Platinum, and then this one, my Unionbank U Visa Platinum. So do I like having multiple credit cards at this point? Yes, kasi apat pa lang naman sila, and itong Unionbank wala siya annual fee. My RCBC Flex Visa, wala annual fee din yun. I was able to meet the spending requirement to have it waived for life. And then yung Hexagon ko with RCBC, no annual fee for life din yun. So meaning to say, isa lang ang merong annual fee ko with all of my 4 cards. That's with BPI Gold. But I was able to waive my annual fee for this year because I was able to meet the annual fee spending requirement. If you would ask me, do I want another credit card? Maybe yes, if merong no annual fee for life with other banks. Let's see. If you want me to talk about the differences as to how I find Unionbank different from BPI and my RCBC and my experience with those banks, I will tell you, but just give me enough time to be able to experience Unionbank muna, like let's say a few weeks of using it. Although I've already been using the virtual version of this one for 2 weeks now. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're applying and if you've applied for this Unionbank U Visa Platinum, I hope you get approved, because it's no annual fee for life. Although it has no lounge options, although wala siyang mga perks like cashbacks or mga rebates or rewards points na ganon, and wala kang mapapalang miles or wala kang free sa mga lounges. It's no annual fee for life. You will never lose if yung card mo is no annual fee for life. So that's it. I hope you get approved. Swipe responsibly. Bye-bye.